Welcome to Rover YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you how to create a text-to-speech system using Python. Actually, this is a mini project, so I can guide you step by step how to create your own text-to-speech system using Python. Before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. So I use Visual Code to write Python codes. Now let's open the Visual Code. And create a new file. Like this. Then save your file as text-speech.py. Then you have to give a desired location. So I have created new file like this, and I have named text-speech.py. So my text-speech.py is saved here under the E partition Python folder. This is my new file, text-speech file, py file. To create a text-to-speech system, you need to import several modules. Here I use interform to create user interface. So I have pre-designed or pre-written code. So I'll copy and paste my pre-written code to save your time. And also you can develop this code according to your own requirements. So I will include this code in my blog site. So I will put my blog address under the video description. So this is my pre-written Python code for text-to-speech system. So here I am going to copy and paste. Copy and paste Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. So this is the code I used to create text-to-speech system. So after that, when you create this one, if you have not import int and py, first one is int and the other one is pyt tsx3, this one. So you need to import these two modules first. So you can install these two modules by using command prompt. Here you have to type pip install int and pip install pyt tsx3. So this one. By using pip command, you can easily install these two modules. So here I have included a function to play audio, and also here you can export your generated voice to MP3 format. Now I need to save my code. Then let's check our system. So I am going to add a new terminal, new terminal. Then I want to access E drive, E partition. Let's run this code. So I want to add a new terminal. Click terminal and select new terminal. So I want to access my txt speech.py file. So it is in E partition. So I want to access E partition E like this. My file is saved under the Python folder in E partition. Then I am going to run my text-to-speech app. Text-to-speech.py. Now press enter. Now this is the printer form, and here this space is to write your code. So write your text. Then after you write your text, then you need to press the play button. Then you can hear what you typed. Then it will, once you click on the play button, then your text will convert to speech. So on the other hand, by pressing export button, you can export your speech, to MP3 format, audio format. Then let's type something and see what happens. Okay, now let's play.
Hello, this is my first text-to-speech software. Thank you.
Yes, it works successfully without errors. Then to export this, then to export the audio file, what you should do is you have to click the export button. Once you click the export button, your text-to-speech will download or will save as output.mp3. The file name is output.mp3. So it is, by default, it is saved under this Python folder in E partition. So this is the audio file. Now let's double click and see what happens.
Hello, this is my first text-to-speech software. Thank you.
Yes, it works perfectly. So like this, you can create your own text-to-speech system. So you can develop this furthermore. To get the code, please check my blog site. So I'll put it in the video description. On the other hand, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Okay, let's meet with another Python mini projects soon. Thank you very much.